Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. A vehicle that requires no human intervention and can operate and sense its environment is called a self-driving car, or an autonomous car. A combination of cameras, algorithms, sensors, software, radar, and artificial intelligence are used to travel between destinations without a human operator. Today, we're going to discuss at a high level how self-driving cars work, as well as look at the challenges that these self-driving cars still need to overcome. As always, if you have any questions as you watch this video, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's jump into it. So how do self-driving cars work? Fully autonomous cars depend on a complex algorithm, sensors, powerful processors, actuators, and machine learning systems to execute software. Self-driving cars build a map of their surroundings based on sensors that fit all the angles of the car. For example, video cameras help to identify pedestrians, traffic lights, and to look out for roadsides and other vehicles. The radar sensors observe the vehicle positions that are nearby. The wheel's ultrasonic sensors identify curbs and even parked vehicles. The light detection and ranging sensor, called LiDAR, bounces pulses of light off the car's environment to calculate distance, identify road edges, and lane markings. All of this modern software together processes all the sensory input, instructs the actuators of the car, decides the path, steering, and parking. There's also predictive modeling, obstacle avoidance algorithms, object recognition, and hard-coded rules that are in play to assist the cars in following the rules of the road and maintain distance in their surroundings. Many giants, including Tesla, GM, Uber, and Google, are trying to create their own self-driving cars. Analysts predict that in the next 5 years, the world will have fully autonomous cars running in all of the major cities. The prerequisites for building a self-driving car are basic Python skills where you can read code and write functions, and also to have a basic Linux operating system knowledge. Basic knowledge of C++, calculus, and linear algebra are bonuses. Now, if you're interested in building a self-driving car, you might also be interested by the challenges the self-driving cars are facing today. While self-driving cars are undergoing testing by several companies, there are none that are available yet for public use. There are many challenges that surround the reality, like technological to environmental, legislative to philosophical, and we're going to have a look at some of these. The first one we're going to look at is liability. Have you ever imagined who would be responsible for accidents caused by a self-driving car? Automated cars won't have any dashboard or steering wheel, so there's really nothing a passenger can do in times of emergency. So who would be blamed? Would it be the manufacturer or the passenger? Another big challenge faced by self-driving cars is the weather. How would autonomous cars drive in heavy rain? What happens when the road's lane dividers are no longer visible? How will the lane markings and cameras sense the environment they're in when there's water, oil, or ice, or even debris all over the road? Another big challenge with self-driving cars is simply AI versus human intelligence. Humans comfortably rely on subtle cues, eye contact, hand gestures, read body language and facial expressions. All of this enables us to make split-second judgment calls. How will automated cars achieve this? How will they inherit the same life-saving instincts that humans have? And then there's LiDAR and radar. While LiDAR is still working on its range and resolution, it doesn't come cheap. We're yet to see how LiDAR signals from multiple cars on the road would react. So, would they interfere with one another? In the case of multiple radio frequencies, will the frequency range be enough to sustain mass production of self-driving cars? While there are many benefits of automated cars like reduced traffic congestion, improvement in walkability, reduced urban CO2 emissions, reduced transportation costs, empty parking lots for other use, we still have to see how all of these mentioned challenges will play out. So there you have it. We've discussed how self-driving cars work and the challenges faced by self-driving cars today. Are you looking forward to the day where self-driving cars are open to the public and on the road? Let us know in the comments down below. As always, if you still have any questions, you can also leave those in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.